let's go over the pelvic tilt. So we talk about this a lot in neutral spine position, making the back very straight, especially that lower back. So to do this movement, you're going to bend both knees, and our feet are going to be hip width apart, heels flat to the floor. You're going to have your knees always pointing to the ceiling, and we're going to squeeze the butt and the abdominal muscles of the lower abdomen to tilt the buttocks off the floor. The lower back stays flat, and then go ahead and release that tilt. We're going to do another tilt, but this time we're going to hold that tilt. We're going to lock it in place and march with both feet, and then release the tilt. So you're going to tilt, march, march, relax. All right, so let's correct that form. Let's help ourselves out and learn more of how to tilt that pelvis. It's so important. So to do this, you're going to lie flat on the floor, and this time you're going to have your legs straight. Notice when you straighten both legs flat that your lower back will arch, okay? And when I bend my knees, my lower back goes flat. So go ahead and straighten those legs. And from this position, I want you to flatten your back by doing two things: squeezing your buttocks and squeezing your lower abdominal muscles. Okay, so I'm going to do that squeeze, I'm going to press it flat to the floor, and then I'm going to relax both of those areas, and then I feel the arch back in the lower back there. So again, squeeze to press it down, hold it for 5 seconds, and then relax. Once you do that, you can then bend the knees and try that pelvic tilt once again.